channel. If you haven't told by the title of this video, then you're in for a great surprise because I got my box, my package that came in the mail a week ago, and I've been debating whether to film it or not, but I did buy the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection, and I'm going to do some unboxing. So if you would like to see me unbox it and do some swatches for you guys, then keep on watching. So here we go with unboxing. I already opened it just to see what it looked like and to make sure I got everything in my package. So I had ordered 3 things just to get the free shipping from Morphe. So I do have the Vault collection by Jaclyn Hill. I will be doing some swatches with that. I also did get the Jeffree Star lip scrub and candy cane. I did try this out beforehand. As you can tell, like, the package is ripped, but it smells like candy cane and tastes like one too. I've tried it before. And a Morphe pop socket just to put on the back of my phone because I had to take mine off because I didn't like it. So let's get to what the real star is all about. The Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. It comes into this package like this, and on the back is her face and then a little dedication message. So let's go ahead and open it. So it comes like this with the 4 palettes. If you bought them individually, you'll probably just get it individually, but I bought mine with all 4. And we have Ring the Alarm, Bling Boss, Armed and Gorgeous, and Dark Magic. So we'll go ahead and open the first one, which is Ring the Alarm. Let's take the plastic off of it. Look how gorgeous those colors are. Let's swatch the first one. This one's Lolly, and it looks like that. I want to swatch the shimmery ones. This one's Bomb Ass, this second one right here. And then let's go On Camera. Here's On Camera. I'll probably do a lot of swatches later on when I start playing with these. They are really creamy, like she said they would be. So there's no chalkiness. It's really, really creamy. So let's go on to the next palette, which is Bling Boss. Oh, right here, Bling Boss. And it's all just a bunch of purple shades. Let's swatch this one, Glitz and Glam. Glitz and Glam is this top one right here. It's actually really pretty. Let's do Bling Bling. Ooh, that one's really pretty as well. It's picking it up. I feel like I'm gonna have fun with this one, especially with fall's coming around. We're gonna have so much fun. Oh, I'm dirtying them. No. Okay. Now let's go. Ooh, let's go in with Armed and Gorgeous. I need to wipe my fingers off. So this one's like a more like your, I guess like your army kind of colors, I guess, in a way. So let's swatch this green because this green is giving me life right now. This one you have to, so this green one's kind of chalky if you can see it. Maybe I'll swatch it in the back of my hand. Oh, why did that one go perfectly? Maybe it's because of the way my arm is. This is the green one, and let's try this Guilt Trip color. Oh, that's pretty. You can see that. I feel like I'd use this one just for the green. Alright, let's go into the last palette, which is Dark Magic. So this is what Dark Magic looks like. Has some blues, some greens, and some like neutral color for it all over the lid. And let's swatch Power Cut, because that one was calling my name. This is what Power Cut looks like. You can see that. And then let's do Busted. It's a really pretty blue. Then let's try Trickery. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is such a pretty color. I feel like I'm gonna have so much fun with these. And it does come with like a string when you put it back in the box, which I love because it just gives it life, honestly. Alright, and now let's jump into the Jeffree Star lip scrub, just so we can show you guys. Even though my hands are a little bit dirty, we'll do it with my left hand. It comes in like this fine scrub. It's not too harsh on the lips, and you can literally eat it too. If you've seen one of his videos where he does it, he eats it too. That one was funny. I have to find that video and link it for you guys. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.